I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your Lemon8 account private. Step 1. Open the Lemon8 app and then tap your profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your Lemon8 profile screen opens. Step 2. Tap the settings icon at the top of the screen. The settings and privacy screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap privacy in this menu. The associated screen opens. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Private Account. A window pops up asking you if you want to switch to a private Lemon8 account. You'll also be notified that if you make this change, only your followers will be able to see your post. Step 5. Tap Switch to Private. Your Lemon8 account will be private going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.